Test. In today's video, I'm showcasing how simple and fast it is to send money from the UK. Now, I'm on the WorldRemit page, and being in the UK, this defaults to send from the United Kingdom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the entire process of sending money, and that too online. So no need to go to any agent or do anything of this kind. Simply, no matter where you are and no matter what device you're on, you can easily send money from the UK to Poland. Okay, to get started, I need to first start by selecting my country of which I need to send money, which is Poland in this particular instance. So I navigate to Poland here and I click on Get Started. I've provided the direct link to this very page in the description below this video. So you can simply click on that and get to this page yourself as well. Having chosen Poland, you can see that send money online to Poland, transfer to all banks within 3 working days. And WorldRemit has really done a fantastic job in terms of covering Poland thoroughly. And that's exemplified by the way they say that from Gdansk to Zakopane, WorldRemit has Poland covered. So from north to south, the whole of Poland is thoroughly covered. The fast, simple way to send money to friends and family, industry leading payment security, use on a computer, smartphone, or tablet. This is very important because you don't want to be limited by the device that you're on. So, irrespective of the kind of device that you're on, as long as you have internet connectivity, you can easily send money. Because after all, the UK has so many Polish people working there, a lot of them working really hard and making sure that they make enough money to sustain themselves in the UK as well as send money back home to Poland. So that's one of the primary drivers for this video, wherein I want to showcase that your hard work will definitely pay off and you can easily send home money without any difficulty whatsoever. In this particular instance, WorldRemit offers the bank transfer option. And between send and receive, let's look at receive because you want to know exactly how much the receiver in Polish zloty or PLN will receive. So let's take a relatively nominal figure of, let's say, 500 PLN, which you want the receiver in Poland to receive. So how much will you be sending? You'll be sending 95.49 British pounds, with the fees being just a mere 1.99 pounds. So whereby the total for you to pay would be 97.48 at the exchange rate of 5.24 PLN to a British pound. Now, this is again something exemplary because you often are not very certain of the exchange rate which the transferring entity in question is taking. But in WorldRemit's case, everything is crystal clear. From the exchange rate being taken to the fees being taken, everything is crystal clear and right upfront even before you send the money. So there's no guesswork of any kind whatsoever. So that is one of the primary reasons why I'm highlighting this, that in this example I've chosen for that the recipient receives 500 PLN, whatever be the amount. Let's say I change this to 1000 PLN which the receivers receive. You see that the fees remains the same, and it's just that the total to pay doubles up from to 192.96. That's about it, with the exchange rate again being constant. So these are very, very good things about WorldRemit. So that's the reason I encourage you to use WorldRemit when it comes to sending money from the UK to Poland. Beyond what I've already highlighted, a few reasons to why you should choose WorldRemit in particular: low cost, low fees displayed upfront. Like here, I've clearly showcased that 1.99, which is a very small amount, and this fees remains constant even when the amount to be received increases. Whereas, say in the case of Western Union, we find that with higher amounts, the fees also go up. And guaranteed exchange rates, which again are displayed right up front as in this showcased here. Then it's fast because there's instant transfer to many countries, and you have send and receive notifications. Both the sender and the receiver receive notifications by both SMS and email. And it's really very, very simple. There's no rocket science, and there's nothing complex involved. It's 24 by 7. There's no need to visit any agent whatsoever, no matter where you are on any computer, smartphone, or tablet. As long as you have internet connectivity, you can connect to WorldRemit and send money. And it's a very, very trusted platform because, those of you who may not be aware of WorldRemit, I would encourage you to please do all your Google searching and looking around online about WorldRemit, reading it up, looking it up. Do all that as much as you want because it's a platform which I use and I trust, and that's why I recommend. And in fact, among the investors in WorldRemit, they are the same folks who actually invested in Facebook, that too a sum as big as 140 million US dollars. So naturally, they know the quality and the trustworthiness of WorldRemit, and that's why they've invested in it. And then if you look at entities like Trustpilot, that has in fact rated WorldRemit as excellent. But again, if you don't have that kind of trustworthiness, Trustpilot customers would not rate WorldRemit as excellent. And so just to reiterate, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3 as I showcased over here. You select the country, you add the recipient details, and you send money. That's it. You're good to go. And yet again, a reiteration of the kind of rating that WorldRemit has got from Trustpilot. So without further ado, I would emphasize that if you're looking to send money from the UK to Poland, choose WorldRemit. It makes a lot of sense. Everything is clearly displayed and everything is right up front. There is complete transparency, low cost, low fees, guaranteed exchange rates. You really could not ask for more. So cheers, and on that front, bardzo dziękuję, dziękuję bardzo for watching. And don't forget, the direct link is there in the description below this video. You can simply click on that and get to the very page from which I started, where I chose Poland as the country to which I was to send money to. Dziękuję bardzo once again.